So welcome back to my tutorial. So here we will now we will move to practical session 2 chapter 2. Okay, today we are going to talk about how to create a list in HTML. So let's see.
A list in a web page. Clear? So list, like it can be a numbered list, it can be bulleted list. Fine. So let's see how to create that list. Basically we use the list to organize the information and present it in a structured manner. Okay, so that it can be ordered, it can be, or it can be unordered list. Fine. So let's see how to create a bulleted or unordered list. For that we simply use UL. Okay, UL, that is we bulleted list, we call it bulleted list also, or unordered list, that is used to show the items not in a particular order. Bullets are used to list the content in a way it looks like organized. Okay, so let's see. So I already have let's create one list here. Okay, and let's see, I will do it from here. Okay, fine. Clear? So I am going to create the list here. I will simply use UL tag, UL. Okay, then after that I will write list, LI. What I want to write, just suppose I want the parts keyboard. Okay, keyboard, and then LI list. Okay, mouse. Fine. Next. Clear? LI. Then after that you will write down UPS. Okay, then LI. Fine. After that just let's write down printer. Okay, anything. Okay, just suppose I am having these things, or you can write more if you want to say. I will write here LI. Then what should I write? Mouse, done. Speakers. Okay, and again LI. Okay, and the next is CD. Okay, DVD. Fine. CDs, DVDs. Fine. So next is one, not the least, write down scanner. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply close my UL tag. I will simply close my UL tag like this way. Fine. Then I will close body tag, body tag. Then what I have to do, the last one, which tag I have to close, HTML. Okay, so I have to do this. I am saving my file. Let's refresh the browser and let's see the list. Okay, you can see here list is coming not properly. Okay, let me remove these images so that you can see it properly like this. Okay, so let me refresh the browser. Now you can see here the bulleted list is here on my web page. Okay, you can say bulleted or unordered list. Fine, that is displayed by the web browser. A bullet appears in front of each item in the list. You can see here keyboard, mouse, UPS, printer, speaker, CD, DVDs. Okay, now the next is you can also set the bullet style. Okay, you can change the style of an unordered list. It can be circle, it can be disc, it can be square. So we just have to define the type. Okay, its type. Let's go back and see. Okay, and see how to do. Here I am starting. Okay, so what I will do, I will write here type. Okay, is equals to, then here I will write here circle. Wait, square. Okay, then double quotes and then close. Fine, fine, square, fine. So after that, let's refresh and see how these bullets will be replaced by square. Now you can see easily how they are replaced by squares. Okay, these bullets, these black one that are coming in front of the your names. Okay, so you can, yes, of course you can change it with the disk also. Okay, so now next is how to create the numbered or ordered list. Okay, means like we are simply giving the numbering. Okay, means we are arranging them in a ordered list, in a sequence. Okay, so let's see. Okay, what we will do for ordered list, we have to use here OL. Okay, instead of writing UL, we will write here OL. Okay, and we have to close it also, change here also OL. Fine, and let me refresh the browser. Wow, you can see here the numbers have come, the counting has come, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it has come. So ordered list is displayed by the web browser. A number appears in front of each item in the list. Fine. So yes, of course you can change the number style also, like you can change the bullet style, so you can also change the number style. Same way here you have to simply tell the type. Okay, as we are here, we are telling square, disc, circle, so here we will tell it the type, how you want to display. Like I am writing here small letter. Fine, Control S, refresh. Now you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so this is how you can do. If you will change it to Roman, okay, Control S, let's refresh the browser. Wow, you can see here. So this is how the number list is displayed in the style, okay, that you have selected. Clear? So it uses letters rather than numbers. Okay, you can see here, you have seen both the examples where we are using the numbers also and where we are using the letters also. Okay, so this is how we can create the list, okay, in a structured manner. Okay, you can display or organize the information and present it in the structured manner. Clear? So I hope it is clear to you how to create the list. Okay, in the next video we will talk about how to insert the links. Okay, how to insert the links in a web page. Okay, so wait for it.
If you liked my video, kindly subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Kindly subscribe my channel. Hope you like my video. Thank you.